Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cutting some studs on this FRS to accommodate conversion spacers. Our buddy picked up some really nice wheels, except they're 5x114. So we're going to try and get those fitted. Alright, so what I'm doing is masking up the studs on the conversion spacer just so that when we go in with the Dremel, you know, we don't run the risk of like slipping and damaging the new studs. So these are the ones that we're actually going to be cutting the excess off of. Okay, by the way, these are the Project Kicks conversion spacers, and it allows us to go from 5x100 bolt pattern to 5x114. Oh my god, we're gonna be a fat minute. Fudge.
Vincent the nail tech.
Come on.
Hello, today I do your nail. Quickly down. Today we're using a file 120. I don't know if you guys can see it. Letting it focus. Okay, you know, this does the job. Getting all the nails nice and fine and clean. You get the nice brush look on your steel. That's Brandon. He's trying to build a watermelon S2000.
It's over there.
Yeah. This is the trash panda. Trash
there
panda.
it is.
You know, trash.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Anthony, you know. Typical FRS owner. Stickers everywhere. Stickers, wheels, lights.
Extra horsepower.
Do not try this at home, kids.
Okay, let's see.
I think it's in there. It's what we got. Let's see it. Where's the key? Right there.
Just gonna snug these up. Come on. Alright guys, so yesterday we cut the studs to accommodate our conversion spacer, so the wheels are all on and everything. Today we're going to try and dial in some of the fitment a little bit better as far as adjusting camber, and then we're also going to be installing the PBM toe arms in the rear. My buddy Anthony already has the Powered by Max lower control arms on there, so we're going to try and dial some of that camber in as well. Let me see. I want to leave enough room for adjustment. Oh damn, that's a lot. That's probably going to toe out like a motherfucker. We'll start from here. Somewhere here. Don't slip on me. Yay. I'm yay.
Oh, whoa, we can't make those jokes either. We're 2020 now, dude.
How did I do this on the other side?
I don't know. I didn't see you do it, dude. I was amazed.
That's reassuring. When I don't even know how I did it. A little bit of wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Okay, that should be good. Thank you.
All right. Did you just fart at me? Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just finished buttoning up Anthony's fitment. I wanted you guys to take a look. Comment down below what you guys think about these wheels. I think it looks pretty nice. Ride height's looking really good too. In case some of you guys are wondering, these are actually the Rays 57 CRs. They're wrapped in the Yokohama Advance 18 by 9.5, I believe, on a 225/40/18 tire.